You're teary-eyed.
I'm sorry?
You're teary-eyed? Are you teary-eyed?
Yes, because I'm very upset. No, because I see people having a hard time. And and they don't deserve it. Mabuti ba kung masamang tao yan? Dapat parusahan. Hindi naman eh. Walang ginawa yan kundi magtrabaho. Kundi mahalin ang pamilya. Ba't mo paparusahan? Para magpayaman ka? Makes no sense to me.
When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be.